fact, that's Brother Sam right back there. He is getting ready to move these trusses somewhere.
Top of the building.
Top the building using the crane.
Where do you want it, down here?
Yes. Hey, Shalom, Sister Kate here. We are on the site of the meeting hall. It is almost Sukkot, which is always a time of change and challenges with the Father, and also great rejoicing. Can do sort of a swing around. There's Brother Sam somewhere over there driving that crane, and there's some sheds in the background, and where we normally stay for Sukkot. It's a quiet Sukkot here. We're not trying to do the really big thing because we're in between buildings. The old one is just really not well put together, and so we needed to kind of upgrade to improve how the saints meet. There's Pastor right there, and brethren over there putting the walls up. Yeah, so
we're gonna have to move this week. We're gonna put those trusses right here.
Oh, I have to move. There they're going. They're starting to move. Whoa. That's a big, big thing. Anyway. Do you guys mind being in the video? We got brethren back here working on stuff. Concrete mixer. Brother Tony, Brother Dom, Brother Matt. Some of you all have donated to the meeting hall through my husband's Patreon channel. And I don't know, maybe even his YouTube channel, so I thank y'all for that. We are not wasting your donations. We wouldn't do that. But this video is not about that either. This video is just about community, working together, getting things done. Amazing, amazing time. And the fall feast of our Father, what am I trying to feast with the bridegroom, the wedding, being a bride, being ready, Sukkot, harvest. It's all really exciting. It's really, really cool, and it's the biggest, it's like the big holiday for our season. We just did atonement. We just all fasted and prayed, and now we're soon to come together to just celebrate the coming of Yeshua, celebrate the end of the farming year, your crop year, things like that. And that's about it. Just wanted to come up here and kind of update you all and get a picture of what's going on. Stuff.
Hey, Matt.
So first truss going up. That's the first truss stood up. It hasn't been attached yet, but there it is, first one. Praise ya.